everyone, I want to quickly show you how to submit a document through Kami using Google Classroom. So we have this stream in classwork. We would go to classwork and I'm just going to use a sample on this classroom. I'm going to use this homework. If you notice, you see the document, well that's in Word. Let me open in Kami one of them. Okay, so let's look at this one. If you notice the assignment is right there, but instead of clicking here, I'm going to click on View Assignment, just because it's going to take me to this area where I like to call the magic box. If you were to click on the document itself, it would just take you directly to the document and you wouldn't be able to see that magic box. So once you click the magic, you notice it's a turn in button right here. But let's open up the document. You're going to open it in Kami. Okay, and just to give you an example, I'm just going to write whatever in this just for the sake of time. Okay, let's say that was my homework. Hi, I just finished my homework. You notice it says save or turn in here. If you do not see this button, I will suggest that you click save, which is the little, it should say the little disc. Maybe it doesn't say turn in, but it has a little disc. Once you save it, it will take you, once you save it, it's already saved. Feel free to close it. If you'd like, you can take a picture of it just in case you miss it or you're afraid and you don't want to have your child do that homework again. I would snap a picture just to have it. And then you after you've saved it, you can go back and find this magic box, which all it should be is a tab. You see there's two tabs over here. You should have the homework in one and the other tab will take you back to that magic box. And you can click turn in and turn in. In case you don't see the turn in button in the Kami document, you could just save it, go back and find that box that says turn in, and that's how you would turn in your homework.